sing your song.
Never make crunchy ice.
No, Isaac, do the snowman one.
There was a chubby snowman. What you suppose? A hungry little bunny looking for his lunch. And him grabbed that good snowman good nose. Nibble, crunch.
Now do your little trick. Ready?
You almost hit Isaac.
And that is Isaac's song.
Okay, now I want all three of you over there. Sing Frosty the Snowman. Or that other song that he knows. We wish you... There you go.